guys, it's Faye and this is Day with Faye. Today I got some stuff from Kylie Cosmetics Halloween launch that I'm really excited to get some swatches for you guys. As always, there are timestamps in the description below for when certain swatches start. If you guys are interested in more swatch comparisons than I provide you, please comment down below, and if I have the colors that you're looking for, I'm happy to do some swatches for you. I'll take a picture and respond to your comment as quickly as I can. And if this is your first time to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't already. So first things first, I noticed that when I got my Kylie Cosmetics box, it was pink. I like this new change, so I got 3 colors to show you guys. Bite Me, Haunt It, and Creep It Real. So first of all, with every purchase for this Halloween launch, you get 3D glasses, which I thought was pretty cute. So you can see certain designs, maybe. It's very trippy. Ooh. First up is Bite Me. Bite Me is a deep red. I did not think that this red would be this beautiful, but it is. It is so sensual and beautiful, and I think it would look good on a lot of different skin tones. One thing that I definitely recommend with Kylie's reds or deep reds or any of the deep colors, you definitely don't want to smack your lips while it's drying because it can look ununiform. So that's just one of my tips. If you don't do that and you wait for it to dry out, then you're good to go. But I definitely love this color. I think that this is a classic vampire-esque color. Like, I feel like I'm going to suck your blood right now. Definitely loving it. Next up I have Haunt It, and Haunt It is a metallic lipstick, which is a new formula to Kylie Cosmetics, and Haunt It is a metallic bright orange with gold shimmer. This color is so beautiful and so creamy. It feels so comfortable with it on. I love it. I love the little glitter. I just want to, man, now I want to buy like a witch costume and put this on my lips now just so it can complete the look. My fiance and I are actually dressing up as Pam and Jim from The Office, and I'm like, can I make this lipstick work somehow? No. Okay. Maybe I should just also have another costume. Okay. It's been a while. Now, I don't think that this is matte because typically it would be called like a metallic matte or something like that, but I'm gonna try it out anyway. So right now, there is nothing on my arm. As you can tell, it is not matte, but this is such a beautiful color that that is okay. Next up, I have Creep It Real, which is a light neutral nude. Yes, I'm so feeling the shade. I love Kylie Cosmetics nudes so much. They're definitely one of my favorites. I think that this is a really beautiful color, and I really do feel like it is a true neutral nude. It's very close to what my lip color is, but it's like with an added oomph, if that makes any sense. I definitely wanted to see how Creep It Real was compared to Nova, because I thought they would be similar. And I do know that Kylie Cosmetics did do swatch comparisons of Bite Me with 4 other red shades right here. But if you are interested in any other red shades for me to compare to, I will gladly do that for you. Again, just comment down below, give me some time, and I will try to get that to you as quickly as possible. So this is Creep It Real and this is Nova. They're definitely very similar. I would say Creep It Real is darker and more of like a neutral kind of mauve-y versus Nova. but they're definitely similar. So I definitely really love these 3 shades from Kylie Cosmetics. They're big thumbs up from me. I hope that this video was super informational for you, and if it was, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a really good rest of your day. And what are you guys gonna be for Halloween? Comment down below, I wanna know. Bye guys.